Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the 4K HDR in CapCut PC. So in here, you can just import your photo or videos into the CapCut PC, and to get the 4K HDR color, you just need to play along with the adjustment. So you head to the adjustment, and in here you can just scroll down until you find the adjust section, and here you can just play along with the color in here, adjust it to how you like it. And here you can also adjust the lightness. I'm going to lower the contrast a little bit and also the exposure, and I'm going to lower the highlight. Okay, sorry, I'm going to increase the exposure and increase the shadow. Here, I'm going to lower the brilliance. And after that, you can also increase the sharpness if you want to. I'm going to go with 25 in here. You can also go to the adjust cell tab in here to adjust the color of your videos or photo like this. Okay, so I think that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.